Do you feel that too much is made about sex in this country with a population of over 1.25 billion? Too much is made about it. Too much of judgmental stuff happens.
Well, I think definitely.
Too seriously as well.
I think definitely there's a lot of sex happening in the country because where the population is so much. तो I think जो लोग करते हैं उसके बारे में बात करने से क्यों शर्माते I don't understand. We are the land of the Kama Sutra and you know I'm sure ये argument बहुत टाइम दिया गया है और मेरा पॉइंट है कि आज जो हमारी ऑडियंस है आज जिस दिन ग्रैंड मस्ती आई मैं जानता हूँ 1-2 दिन पहले लोग कह रहे थे यार कोई नहीं जाएगा ये बहुत ही वाहियात है ये वो है और लोग मतलब थिएटर फाड़ के थिएटर में घुसे वो पिक्चर देखने के लिए बिकॉज ऐसा नहीं कि हम स्क्रीन पे सेक्स होते हुए दिखा रहे इट्स अ जॉनर आज हम और आप हमको SMS जोक्स आते हैं या वल्गर नॉटी नॉनवेज जोक्स जैसे हम कहते हैं पार्टी में महफिल जमती है तो एक चुटकुला है जोक सुनाया जाता है तो हम आम जिंदगी में हमेशा ये नॉटी चीज़ें करते हैं हम थोड़े नॉटी होते हैं वल्गर होते हैं आई थिंक अब धीरे धीरे ऑडियंसेस जो है दे डोंट केयर के जो प्योरिस्ट है वो क्या सोचते हैं उनको एंटरटेनमेंट चाहिए लोग मुझसे अक्सर पूछते हैं कि आप डबल मीनिंग डायलॉग लिखते हो ऐसे यार लोगों के डायलॉग्स में एक मीनिंग नहीं होता मैं आपको दो दे रहा हूँ एक साथ और क्या चाहिए आपको
Let's talk about some fun stuff as far as Masti Dada is concerned. You're once again you're just having fun as far as the double meaning is concerned. You're having Sunny Leone in a double role. Lily Lele and Laila Lele. So tell us something about both these Leles.
Well, when you see the film, जो Lily Lele which Sunny is playing, she's adorable, and she's actually a part of Sunny's personality. Sunny in real life is a sweetheart. She's a little bit of a goofball. She's little dorky, nerdy, which is what I've tried to capture in Lily Lele. Right. Laila is the Sunny the world want things they know and they want to watch. She's hot, she's sexy, she's aggressive. And Lily is the opposite. She's hot, she's sexy, but she's sweet. She's very क्या कहते हैं वो cute school teacher. Who you always liked in school जो आपको मैथ सिखाती थी wearing specs and she's got different hair little curly and she's got a stammer in the film तो कुछ words पे वो हकलाती है क्योंकि वो इतनी confident नहीं जितनी उसकी बहन है Laila है in your face है so Sunny I think she was excited when I came up with the idea because she felt कि यार everyone has seen her play this really gorgeous, sexy, hot girl, but no one has seen this nerdy, side of her. So when I wrote it and I narrated it to her, she immediately said, "This is me." No, in this film, when I'm shooting, she's the most happy and comfortable when she's playing Lily. When she's playing Lily, the camera comes on, Sunny lights up. Sunny looks forward to the scenes जिसमें Lily है. मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ कि हीरोइन दूसरे हीरोइन को हमेशा एक झगड़ा होता है इन दोनों बहनों में भी झगड़ा है सेज जो है ना लिली जो है ना वो लैला को नहीं चाहती और लैला जो है ना वो हमेशा चाहती है कि वो लिली को नीचा दिखाए तो इसमें इंटरनल कंपटीशन सनी और सनी में ही हो रहा है इस पिक्चर में जहाँ जब सनी लैला बन के सेट पे आती है मैं कहता हूँ वेलकम लैला जब लिली आती है मैं कहता हूँ वेलकम लिली जब लिली आती है कहती है मेरी बहन का आई होप शी इज नॉट अराउंड हियर सो शी इज एंजॉइंग other than just being beautiful which she's enjoying comedy. She's never done comedy in any film. And this is ये जो genre हम कर रहे हैं this is the genre of Grand Masti, Houseful, David G, मैं तेरा hero which I have written as a writer. तो इसमें slapstick भी है double meaning भी है situational comedy भी है हर scene में she has to improvise along with and there are great actors along with her comic stars Tushar who's a veteran and he's a star in sex comedy Kya Cool series Veer has done Delhi Belly then I have Asrani sir I have Suresh Menon Shad Randhawa so the whole cast is they're such good actors that when they all come together in a frame Faridun it is madness it is mental कि हर आदमी इतना पागलपन कर रहा है so she's enjoying because she's getting to play off someone like an Asrani sir or a Suresh who's done maybe 100 films and comedy so many times so I think people will see the actress in her in this movie the comic timing the little the Sridevi ji in Mr. India jab wo Charlie Chaplin when she paid a tribute Lily's got that little Chaplinist kind of quality to her she's goofy she's fun she's confused she's nervous and I mean I always say the women are going to love Lily Men are going to love Leila, but the women are going to love Lily.